Theta organization cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030 in an unobtrusive way. We here will give you the 10 years definite cost expectations for Theta organization, or so they essentially thought. Is Theta really worth purchasing in 2023? What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030, which explicitly is very critical? How certainly high might Theta at any point organization go in a fundamentally significant manner? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Theta organization expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized examination to central past cost diagrams. Theta organization past value investigation, which is very huge. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Theta organization is $1.04, and Theta is right now position number 53 in the whole crypto market in a significant way. The flow supply of Theta is 1 billion with a market cap of $1,042,648,158 in very most recent 24 hours, which is very huge, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta organization's cost has shown a decent increment of 2.23% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours. For most recent 7 days, the Theta organization by and large was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 2.64% in a significant manner. Theta explicitly has shown areas of strength for exceptionally potential, and this could be decent in open door to dive right and in a real sense put resources into a major way. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of Theta essentially has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, wiping out an incredible fundamentally normal cost of 19 cents from its especially current cost amazingly. This unexpected genuinely descending development in a real sense implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, and it very well may be a for the most part great sort of purchase and open door for truly speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change is around 25.47%, and the cost truly coursed from a base typical worth of 78 cents to by and large most extreme normal worth of 79 cents in the truly beyond 90 days, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In every practical sense, most recent 4 months Theta organization generally has shown a developing pattern. Hence, we believe that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Theta organization is expanded from 4 months, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost. The coin is up by 14.85% with the greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin especially was around 91 cents, and the by and large least sort of typical cost of generally was around 88 cents and truly beyond 4 months. We explicitly give our altogether most extreme verifiable information for the Theta coin, which sort of incorporates certainly various variables like most certainly past value, market cap, volume, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. In the event that you certainly are hoping to put resources into digital money market, basically try to peruse our expectations in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization value expectation for 2023 as per our estimate. In 2023, the cost of Theta organization truly is supposed to, in every practical sense, reach at an all things considered, least value level of 99 cents amazingly. The Theta cost can arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $1.13 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.09 in a really significant manner. Theta organization value expectation for 2024 according to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at least worth of $1.58 in a significant manner. The Theta cost can arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme degree of $1.82 with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of $1.62. Theta organization value gauge 2025 to 2026. The cost of Theta organization is anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at any rate level of $2.32 in 2025 in a really significant manner. The Theta organization cost can basically arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $2.73 with the, in every practical sense, normal cost of $2.40 all through 2025 in a sort of significant manner. The cost of Theta organization basically is in every way that really matters, anticipated to reach at least degree of $3.44 in 2026 in an unpretentious manner. The Theta organization cost can arrive at a truly greatest degree of $4.05 with the fundamentally normal cost of $3.56 all through 2026 incredibly. Theta value expectation for 2027. Theta organization cost is estimate to generally arrive at a fundamentally the most reduced degree of $5.08 in 2027 in a quite large manner. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could arrive at a greatest degree of $5.97 with the truly normal conjecture cost of $5.22. The Theta organization value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a very limit of $8.77 with the typical exchanging worth of $7.74 in USD. Theta organization value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Theta organization is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $11.49 in 2029. The Theta cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 13.16 with the fundamentally normal cost of $11.80 all through 2029. Theta organization value expectation gauge for 2030 according to the conjecture and profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Theta organization is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $16.89. The Theta cost can basically arrive at a kind of greatest value worth of $20.02 with the typical worth of $17.48. Theta organization value expectation for 2031. The cost of Theta organization in a real sense is supposed to reach at a kind of least worth of $24.28 in 2031. The Theta organization cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $29.56 with the especially normal exchanging cost of $25.15 all through 2031, or so they thought. Theta organization value expectation for 2032. Theta organization cost essentially is conjecture to for the most part arrive at an especially the least conceivable degree of $35.29 in 2032 in an unpretentious manner. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could arrive at a very greatest conceivable degree of $42.36 with the typical figure cost of $36.55 in spite of mainstream thinking. What generally is the Theta organization cost today? Today, the cost of Theta organization truly is 1.04 with the market cap of $1,042,648,158.000. What will truly be the Theta? Certainly the most elevated anticipated cost for 2023, which for the most part is very critical. The most elevated determined cost for Theta especially is supposed to arrive at an especially greatest worth of $1.13 toward the finish of 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. What will be the Theta organization in a real sense? The most elevated commonly anticipated cost for 2024 in a kind of huge manner. Unquestionably, the most noteworthy estimated cost for Theta is supposed to arrive at a greatest worth of $1.13 toward the finish of 2024, which is genuinely huge. How high might Theta at any point organization go, which fundamentally is genuinely critical? The genuinely normal cost of Theta could generally reach to $1.09 before the current year's over, which essentially is very critical. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it sort of is assessed that the coin will effectively most certainly come to the $5.22 mark. How much will Theta organization be worth in 2030? Amazingly, as far as cost esteem, Theta really has an extraordinary potential to reach new ATHs in an every practical sense, significant way. It is estimated that Theta organization will increment in esteem. As per numerous specialists and business examiners, Theta can in every practical sense hit without a doubt the most noteworthy conceivable cost of $42.36 till 2030. Is Theta